Wheel Truing Simplified, a spin on English. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, wheel truing. If you're curious about how this phrase fits into the English language and what it means practically, you're in the right place. Wheel truing might sound like a complex term, but it's actually a straightforward concept. Truing a wheel is a process that involves adjusting the tension of the spokes to ensure the wheel is perfectly round and balanced. It's a common term in the world of bicycling and mechanics. Why is wheel truing important? A true wheel spins without wobbling, which means safer and more efficient biking. It's not just about the ride, though. Wheel truing is a great example of precision and care in craftsmanship. Wheel truing is part of the mechanical language, and like many terms in English, it comes from a specific context, in this case, bicycling. Learning phrases like this can give you insight into English's diverse vocabulary. And that's a wrap on wheel truing. I hope this video has spun up your English skills and added another term to your vocabulary toolkit. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the language of mechanics in no time. See you in the next video.